Alright, we're 7 minutes away from this fucking tunnel or some shit. So we're gonna see what's up, bro. I don't know. But I was gonna say, bro, we made it here without getting pulled over, bro. That's pretty good. There was a lot of cops, bro. There was a lot of fucking cops, bro.
You see that car just running to the fucking police?
Bro, yeah, that shit was scary, bro. Yeah, I genuinely hope they're good, bro. Fuck, that shit was kind of crazy to see, bro.
No, we gotta go get our stuff.
Bless, bro.
Bus.
Yeah, I'm down, bro. I was gonna say we could go right now, but I doubt the fucking Pope down over there at the church right now, bro. Yo, bro, look how good are you on gas? I'm only 2 bars long, so be good. No, no, I said I need 2. I'm 2 bars low. I still got 4 bars. Oh, that's good, that's good. Alright, slow down over here. Holy shit, there's a lot of cars in there. Alright, go to the first lane. First lane. There's a light. There's a light. Why is this thing turning like a fucking motorcycle? Yo, I don't know what the fuck, bro? These lights don't work or what? Bro, that is... Usually a full tank lasts me a while, bro. I guess we were really just hauling gas because I lost 2 bars, bro. You lost 2 bars or you're at 2 bars? Oh, yeah, that's reasonable. Me too, bro. Makes sense. You basically got the same price, you're just got 2 more to it. You gotta pay for that shit, right? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, this nigga, we found it! That's not what it's not. Bro, we're like at the most random gas station ever, bro. Where the fuck are you know we at? Bro, there's only days, oh, what the fuck? Oh yeah, the other ones are over there. Oh my god, these potholes are shit, bro. Bro, this is probably like the only niggas who had the balls to bring a bike over here, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get on the other one, because I'm also gonna kill that. Bro, this is definitely the type of gas that takes all of our information and sells it to Indian niggas, bro. Fuck it, I ain't tripping, bro. Oh shit, am I still recording? I gotta check. I think I said that.
Bro, that was fucking insane.
Bro, that shit was so fucking lit, bro. Hey, we got a fire ass video though, that's for sure. Hell yeah, bro. I'm getting a boner right now as you speak.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Yo.